If they say make una not dey cheat on una husband, una no go hear. Instead when you go cheat, you not go leave the man. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people. This video today now about one woman wey go cheat on the husband. The husband can't go do something wey be say the woman go come be like a cow. As I dey talk to una, so na cow leg na the woman can't get, my people. I never see this kind of thing before. I said the thing shocked me when me even see the video. I say, this kind of thing dey happen. Hey, not the way Musa not go see for ghetto. Not the way person not go see for this social media. As I see the video, the thing shockalize me. Say, somebody just turned to cow. Hey, overnight. My people. As I this one not be saying a film trick, I go put the video make una dey see am. He husband make am turn to cow. My people. I never see this kind of thing before. I don't even know say this kind of thing dey exist. Like seriously. The thing shockalize me. My people, not be small thing. Things dey happen oh. Somebody use his own wife to turn to cow because they cheat on her. I want her to cheating women then. When you dey marriage, you see say you know they enjoy the marriage again. The man, you know, feel dey with him again. My dear, instead when you go to cheat, why you know you leave the man? Because if you dey on that marriage, everybody get their own tradition. You understand? If you dey on that marriage, you know they happy again. The marriage, you know they sweet you again. But they're not because of people want talk. May you dey there, they cheat on and no. Instead, you just leave the man. You go work out your own. For man to come make you turn to a cow like this. Like seriously. Hey, this one I be the highest so me I don't ever see you. You know the one they see before. They will come together. They will come they beg the man, beg go. May you go open them. They will come they beg the man, beg. Open them, open them. That will be the see. This one na cow. Not the way person not go see for this social media. Not the way Musa not go see for gate. As I dey talk to Nana, this woman I said she get cow leg. Because she get tail for back like cow. How this cow woman want to survive this one? God forbid bad thing. You dey see yourself say you get cow leg. My people, this one shockalize me. This one shocked me. I never see this kind of thing before for my life. God forbid bad thing. See somebody turn to cow or because he go cheat on the husband. Now wow, that doesn't be a way. Not the way person not go see for this social media, my people. Now what for wire road. As I see the video, I say make I share it with my old bonga people. Make una see what they happen for inside life. God forbid bad thing. Make I put the video, make una see my people. Please help me to share the video. Let the video go viral. Bye.
You do when they talk about well, that's another end. My people, now see this lady when sit down for ground, when leg already turned to cow leg, and her tail already turned to cow tail. Wetin happen? Make I gist to now my country people. They say this woman their husband house yet go they do kurukere waka. He go they do kurukere waka. Now your husband go do sham. And this woman you go outside go do one kurukere waka. Now he let it turn to cow lego. I say turn to cow say, hey, nothing will not go see for this channel. All these women will be say they do kurukere waka. This video na for una need to.
The fans deserve to know, first of all, that I'm fine, that my family's fine, and partly also why I took my decision of marrying a second wife. So I decided to say why today. I used to hear from so many people that a man cannot love two women at the same time. Yeah. I've heard it, excuse me. I've heard it a couple of times that a man cannot love two women at the same time. And I'm one of those people who believed it, before. And I know a lot of people still believe it as well, that a man cannot love two women. I used to believe it as well until, excuse me, until it happened to me. And I realized that never say never. No matter how old you are in this world, we're all young, we're still learning. Things can happen, and then you learn from certain things. At this point in my life, I can tell you that, this is my opinion, all right? I'm entitled to my opinion. My opinion may be wrong to you, but it's my opinion. At this point in my life, at this stage, I think it's possible for a man to actually love two women. I think it's possible. And for me, I think it's possible because two women can be in your life and then they bring two different things to the table. All right. They reason in different ways. They, contribute differently to your life. They contribute differently to your life. And, you just realize that that's just the way it is. Someone can come into your life and then, excuse me, the person makes so much impact in your life, and you just don't want to let this person go, or you just can't let this person go. Of course, a lot of people will say, as a married man, why would you allow another woman to come into your life and all that? Yes, we can say it's wrong. I take the blame for that. You can say it's wrong. I take the blame. But these things happen. Let's just be honest. These things happen. And excuse me, excuse me. It happened to me, and then I I realized that, hey, I just couldn't let this wonderful woman, leave my life, and make no mistakes about it. These are very wonderful women, very, very wonderful women in their own, respective rights, and they bring different things to the table.